You know that feeling when your passion becomes your life? When what once was just a hobby now defines who you are? For us, cycling isn't just a pastime, it's a way of life. And as we embark on our journey to find the ultimate luxury in cycling, we discovered something truly extraordinary. Introducing the heart of our new bike build adorned with precision and elegance. From the sleek ceramic Speed OSPV RS to the ceramic Speed bottom bracket, every component is meticulously crafted to elevate your ride to new heights. Imagine the thrill of gliding through the city streets or conquering mountain roads with unparalleled performance and style. That's the promise of our new bike build. So join us on this journey as we redefine luxury in cycling. Stay tuned for the unveiling of our masterpiece where every detail is crafted to perfection. This is more than just a bike. It's a symbol of excellence, passion, and the relentless pursuit of perfection. Welcome to Proven Luxury, where every ride is an adventure and every pedal stroke takes you closer to greatness. So this is the second episode of our Proven Luxury video series. So here I just wanted to present you the components, what we're going to be building our next Proven Luxury bike. So let's just hop right on. So the first thing, let's start with the saddle. So many of you that watch the channel, you all know that I build my bikes with Berg saddle. So yeah, I just got my, I'm just waiting for the build that we're going to make. So on there we will put on, first it will be the Chlod. This is the saddle that I've been riding with for I don't know how many years, but the past couple of years I've been riding with Berg Lupina short, unpadded 150 millimeters, so that's going on the bike. But I wanted to have the gold, like this thing in between, so yeah, I'm waiting for that. Then let's go to the tires. I always liked Vittorias. I was on the Pirelli for I think 1 year, but now I'm back on Vittoria. NXT, I think it's the price performance, probably the best tire on there, at least in my opinion. It's fast, it's comfortable, so yeah, and the grip is amazing. So yeah, Vittoria tubeless ready, and of course putting in the sealant as well. Then so now 3 years ago I started riding Wahoo pedals. I'm not sure that I recommend this to everyone, but to anybody that has knee problems or wants a bigger, wants to have the feet a little bit more loose, yeah, these are the pedals to go. I'm riding with Wahoo Speedplay Nano pedals, the lightest version. Yeah, and I didn't have any problems. So then we have the chain, since the bike is red, frozen red with gold. With gold decals. Yeah, I went with the gold chain, so that's going to be on the bike. And for our main item or gear that's going to be used on a bike, it's the Ceramic Speed OSPV RS. So this is the new one. Yeah, I think it spins really good. And so yeah, we're gonna build the bike with this. So, and then we also have the bottom bracket, which will be in red colors. So yeah, it's going to be a pretty crazy build. We already have, I think, 5 or 6 cyclists that will test the bike. So yeah, if you want to know which brand we ordered, watch next video. I think by the end of this week we're going to be, hopefully we get the frame and the wheels, which are from the same brand. So yeah, then we start the build. It will be built with Shimano Ultegra group set. And other than that, I think just the bar tape. I like just the normal bar tape that is, yeah, that's been around for the past 10-20 years. So I use that one. Yeah, preferably from Data, or I don't know how many brands are there, but yeah, nothing too fancy. So yeah, I'm excited about the bike, about our passion project. We're searching for that price performance best bike build, and I have my fingers crossed that the first company that we're going to test the bike, it will be the right one. If it's not, we already have another company in mind, which we also already contacted. So yeah, it just depends how the first bike will ride, and then yeah, we start that journey, that proven luxury journey. Thank you guys for watching. If you're from Slovenia and you want to test the bike, you must be from, let's say, 177 to 183 centimeters tall. Just comment below. Yeah, and we will, so comment below what bike are you riding now, where are you from, so the tests will happen from Ljubljana in front of our showroom. So yeah, you will get the bike for 2 hours, then we're going to film you, so everybody that's going to ride the bike will say their opinion, so it's not just me who's talking, but also theirs. So yeah, you guys get as many opinions as possible of one bike, and yeah, hopefully you guys like it. Stay tuned, let's ride.